Oh, let the fun begin. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, BG, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today, we are visiting the infamous 79th Street. And one of these skis is dead. His buddy's trying to tow him in. We were just holding the line. Now it looks like we're going to try and tie the line off. Probably the better solution, but not tying it off on the stern, because obviously you're going to get the resistance from the stern when you try to get pulled. But we're going to give it a shot anyway. Careful, don't get it sucked up. And the line's off. But now he's just got to be careful he doesn't suck it up to the intake of the jet ski. Oh, but look out, we got a boat incoming. Man, pay attention. He's like, bro, what are you doing? Oh, the shenanigans down at 79th Street. I learned today that I have been riding two up on the jet ski wrong. I was today years old when I figured out how you're supposed to ride with two people on a jet ski. Only in Miami. What more can you say? This is the only kind of place you're gonna see this stuff. And our guy's coming in on the dock. My man's got the line, but I think he's still in gear because my man is pulling hard. Oh, and the smack. He looked forward when he hit the dock too, like, what is going on? But he smacks it. Finally, we got the lines on the dock, though. What in the world is going on here? So, I guess our guys decided they didn't want to use a dock. What are you doing, man? So he's pulling the water out of the footwell. Doesn't really matter. You're about to push it back under to get on, probably. All you gotta do is hit the throttle and the water will come out. So here we go. He's trying to climb on, and yes, we're gonna push the well down, and let's fill it back up with water we just drained off. Oh my gosh, sometimes you can't explain some of the stuff you see down here. So, why are we even in the trees, guys? I guess maybe it's a better spot than the dock. I mean, we're at 79th. They could have just run it right up under the concrete. And our crew's coming out. There's a jet ski here at the end. Oh, they're going to hit it. They just pushed it off the dock. And in typical 79th Street fashion, this jet ski has no line on it. So it's just going to go floating away now. My guy looks back at the dock to make sure nobody saw. And they're just going to keep going. Oh, I thought we were going to get a swimmer, but no. Looks like Dad to the rescue. We've had a couple close calls today, and I thought we were going to get another one, but they're able to pull that one out. Okay, so this is an interesting way to store your lines. So they're deployed already. They're leaving them deployed, just kind of securing them. I mean, it's interesting in concept. It sounds like a good theory for quick deployment. But wouldn't it scuff up your boat as you were moving around and the line's just rubbing again? Oh, look, our guys are back in the trees. The jet ski behind them was the dudes we saw earlier. Somehow they're back in the trees again. What in the world is going on there? Let me know if you do this with your lines. I'm curious how that works. And here's our boys back in the trees. Once again, I guess maybe, maybe it's a new jet ski. They don't want to put it on the dock because they don't want to scuff it. So instead, we'll just hang out in the trees all day. What in the world is going on at 79th today? Well, our guys just hanging on. So our crew is making their approach on the dock. We've got somebody ready in the bow on the lines. Let's see how this one rolls. The pink boat is interesting. I have to imagine this is not a stock color, and somebody actually opted to paint it pink, which is an interesting pick, to say the least. But, oh, quick brake check. Good thing my man was still sitting down in the bow, trying to bring the stern around. And are we going to go for a leap? Bow is coming around as well, and there we go. We got our guy in the dock, got the lines, and Cap's in reverse. Hang on. 79th Street tug-of-war coming on. Our guy was taking steps the wrong direction. He was losing for a second. So Cap's going to come back around and try and reapproach the dock. And it looks like they'll be good. Oh, no, they're kicking the stern out. Do they have a stern line ready? So Cap's running back to the stern to try and grab it now. Is it long enough for him to make the toss? So our guy's going to push the bow back around, give Cap a shot. I mean, we got to be careful with this one. We don't want to scuff the pink finish. I mean, that's the priority on this one. And my man's got it, and they'll get it pulled over. So our crew in the Wellcraft's holding here. I'm not sure where they're going, though. So our boat's pulling out. The Wellcraft is going to slide in front. Oh, he's going to try and thread the needle. So there's a boat on the backside of the dock that he's approaching. I'm assuming he's going to try and go in front of that boat. Let's see if Cap's got the skills. So at least he's got a couple people watching. Man, it looks like he's good. He's going to slide right in front of the other boat. No issues. And it'll be a walk-off hit for my man here. So at first I thought this jet ski was running. As you may know, some jet skis, when they're running, they have a little bit of a water kind of thing that just shows you that water's flowing through the motor, but I'm pretty darn sure that's a bilge pump. There's no way in the world I'd be getting on this ski for anything. How in the world is it still floating, taking on that much water? But hopefully it hangs on till they can get it out of the water. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, who does some great comedy boating videos as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.